contract are rising. List to sold prices fell 2.7% and contracts are off this week. It's Friday, December 1st, 2023. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Days on the market rose to 11 days, up from 7 days. Though the median price is at $700,000 for recent sales, the list to sold ratio falling is one to watch as an indicator of future list prices. This inventory rose to 148 for sale. 15 homes are coming soon to the market. 28 homes hit the market over the past week. 11 went under contract since last week. 6 moved to pending. 17 homes sold at 97.8% list to sold ratio and in 11 days, both a shift to note. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Childs Point for $3,500,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose to 52 for rent at a median $2,938 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 1st, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.